Hi, I turned my cartoon photo in fun animation video with sound. Wanna see how I did it? Let's go. First, I turned my photo into Ghibli style art. You can check out previous video I made to see how to do that. After that, we will go Hedra website where we can upload image and sound and you can add description text. Here's the final result. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more awesome content.